आई हैव अ लिप सिंक प्रॉब्लम। तो कई बार कुछ शब्द बहुत साफ साफ नहीं निकलते, तो आज भी वीडियोस के नीचे, और मुझे काफ़ी टाइम हो गया ये करते हुए, आज भी वीडियोस के नीचे बहुत लोग बहुत अजीब किस्म के वर्ड डाल के जाते हैं फॉर अ वेरी सिंपल वर्ड। एक वर्ड है टोटला, जो बहुत लोग डाल के जाते हैं। इट now I think I become thick skinned, so now it doesn't matter to me, but sometimes somewhere it triggers me. And
like for me, sorry I'm interrupting, Budia, how can you even say something like that to somebody? इतने बार मतलब जब मैं देखती हूँ ये मुझे दिखता है कि and I'm like how can you even say something like that? But I feel कभी कभी जैसे आपने कहा ये ट्रिगर करता है,
insensitive है,
या बहुत ही insensitive है, because people don't realize sometimes what may trigger you and what may upset you. People don't realize it. You kind of put on a brave face because they see only that persona कि मतलब ग्लैमरस लग रही है एकदम खुश लग रही है, चल रही है, ये कर रही है, she's doing this, she's doing that, but you don't realize there are so many things that can actually trigger you and upset you and set you back. So many things. लेकिन I feel you should take these things as not just in your stride, but you should take it as examples where you want to turn around and tell somebody कि बोल please go ahead, say what you have to say. I will be better than that. जो भी आपके दिमाग में हो, जो भी आप कहना चाहते हो, I will be better. I will prove to you that I can be better, and I can probably do anything and everything under the sun. And you will keep having the same opinion, you'll keep feeling the same way, but I will keep bettering myself and not letting all of this noise get into my head.
Initially, I remember once it broke my confidence and I went and said मुझे नहीं करना ये, इतना negativity मैं नहीं झेल पाता. Generally I'm not that person. Like you said, when you get those words like Buria, or people talk about your walk or your dress, has it ever been a situation where you broke down, and was there somebody around who pulled you up and said chal jaane de yaar?
And of course there have been times where I've sat and I've cried my heart out. I have moments ऐसे होते हैं कि जहाँ पे I tell my team कि पता नहीं मैं क्या करूँ, कैसे इसको change करूँ, या इसको कैसे एक अलग thought process कैसे आ जाए लोगों के दिमाग में. I mean, you have these moments, and of course there are people in your life who truly stand by you, whether it is my team, whether it is at home, जैसे मेरी माँ है, मेरी बहन है. One of my biggest supporters is my son, literally, and he has seen he's like, but what's the big deal?
Very bindas.
What's the big deal, Mom? If somebody is saying that, it's fine. Why are you letting it affect you or upset you? So I think these are the people around me that really are my backbone, literally. And kuch bhi ho jaye, I've cried, I've been upset, I have not wanted to speak to anybody. Sometimes I also feel I have somebody who I don't get bogged down for too long. ये बहुत ही momentary चीज रहेगा जहाँ पे मैं बहुत upset रहूंगी, या मैं रो पड़ूंगी, या मैं किसी से बात नहीं करूंगी. It will be very momentary. I'll just give myself, and then I will pull myself back and I'll say, you know what? I'm better than this. I have so much to look forward to. Why am I sitting and getting affected by what some person has said? I'm better than that. And I think these are मेरे खुद के दिमाग में जो एक mechanism hai to deal with situation that kicks in, and I'm like, you know what, let's move forward, put this behind me.
Like I was telling this to someone, an actor, and I was saying ki, when I used to speak to actors like Jackie Shroff, Sunny Deol, Sunil Shetty, I used to feel they had genuine likeness towards each other. I don't probably feel that as much in today's generation. I feel everybody is trying to like outgrow each other, or like overshadow each other.
I don't know, maybe they were a lot more secure then. I don't know. I feel I'm sure तभी भी शायद इतना सोशल मीडिया था भी नहीं ना, मतलब आई फील कुछ एक्सेस था ही नहीं, बस उन लोग साथ में बैठ के काम करते थे, खाना खाते थे एक दूसरे के साथ, मतलब ये फोन्स तो था ही नहीं. सो आई थिंक यू हैड नो चॉइस बट टू स्पेंड टाइम टुगेदर एंड बॉन्ड ओवर अ ग्लास ऑफ अ ड्रिंक और अ मील, राइट? अब तो मतलब की जरूरत है ही नहीं, मतलब everybody is busy doing their own thing. It's not that they weren't doing it then.
You all also were.
That's what I'm saying. Not that they weren't doing it then, but I feel everybody, सबकी जिंदगी बहुत अलग है अब. Phones है, ये है, social media, this, that, सबकी बहुत, I think there's a sense of I think people need to be a lot more secure. But having said that, I would like to correct this notion, because people feel that. I feel people nowadays are very chilled also. I mean, I feel actors and actresses get along beautifully. Also, everybody has a they all have multiple things going on in their life. It's
Yeah.
not just set से जाके वापस घर जाते हैं और
जी।
सो जाते हैं. ये भी नहीं है ना. They're
जी।
all doing multiple things.
Hmm.
Whether businesses हो या travel हो या produce करो या so there are multiple things happening in people's lives. So शायद इतना वक्त भी नहीं है ये सब ज़्यादा मतलब friends बनाने के लिए या कोई friendships बनाने के लिए. But I think having said that, I think in today's day and age, everybody has a very good rapport and understanding also with each other.
Sure. You mentioned production. Are you planning to produce something?
I would love to. I really would. That's something
Like
that
what? What is on it? Like a TV show, web show?
I would love to do a content-based show, whether it is a travel-based show or a talk show or a cooking show, a dance reality. I would love to be part of any of these aspects because I feel I'm very closely attached to it. I would also like to do something. I would love to make a documentary on a person who I feel inspires, or I have this. I would love to do that. So there are certain things I would love to definitely work on in the production space.
Is there a person like that you would want to bring on screen, the life of?
I'm sure there are a couple of people that I'm sure there are. Yeah, there are.
Like
I would. And some, honestly, I mean, I feel somebody like a Rekha ji, somebody
I
who
was just thinking of
who I
Rekha
just,
Bhai.
I find her so, she's so, just, I mean, you kind of get gobsmacked. कभी-कभी शब्द भी नहीं आते कि क्या बोले. I would love to, show her, her life or her, her entire way of being. I would love to do that. But yeah, I think she's somebody who really fascinates me.
Yeah. So this friendship of Bebo, Kareem, Karishma, you and Amrita, how did it start? Was it by chance? Did you guys meet? Did it like एक इंसान
Actually,
जुड़ते गया group में?
it was actually my sister. Ammu and Bebo, they were very good friends. They did films together. They were very good friends, and they've been contrary to what, but they've known each other. I remember back in the day they had met and they connected. They had कुछ common friends थे, and then अब जब साथ में बैठ के अरे you know this person, अरे you know that person, so they figured that there was a lot of commonality दोनों के बीच में. Plus उसके बाद उन्होंने कुछ films भी किए साथ में, and I think their friendship just got stronger and stronger. So then and both the sisters then came and became part of the two of them, So and then we all started. So it is literally like sister bonding that happened over there.
What is that friendship like?
We have laughed, we have cried, we have fought, we have traveled, we have, and I think what, again, food is a huge factor that binds us. And the other thing is, I think we all are very similar. We come from very similar ways of upbringing, similar background in terms of our growing up, parents, So I think that is what also got us together. So I think there's a lot of similarity. Two girls, so I think sisterhood, that kind of bondings.
Yeah. My journalist is taking over. What you all fight about?
What do we fight about?
Yeah.
I mean, fight, no, I won't say fight. I would say more like जैसे disagreement या कुछ, शायद मेरी कुछ opinion हो या आपकी कुछ opinion हो, and then that doesn't match,
together,
sit together. A lot of times when we talk about certain things, कभी-कभी जब मेरी बहन रहती है वहाँ पे तो मुझे गुस्सा हो जाता है, and I think, and I'll turn around and tell her, shut up, you don't know, don't just, interfere just because you want to say. So those kind of things, then she will take up for her, then that one will take up for me, so it's like a constant thing, but over small things, nothing much, and, somebody may not have said something, or somebody must have forgotten something, and then you bring it up. Those kind of things. Very, very silly, trivial things.
You all are always with each other when times go tough. Like when Kareena went through a tough time recently, and so did you.
Yes, my family, we went through a tough time. Her family went through a tough time. But I think that's what it is, right? If you're there in your times of trouble and in your tough times for each other, I think that's what matters the most. I think everything else doesn't even compare. I think if you can actually be there in your tough times, then.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.